every Amazon seller I talk to is using keyword research tools the wrong way. It's not because they don't know how to use them, it's because they don't know which ones are actually worth their time. I've been in this game for over a decade. I've built and exited an 8-figure CPG brand, and now I run an Amazon advertising agency. I've used every tool out there. So today I'm gonna rank the best keyword research tools from S tier down to C tier, and I'm gonna tell you exactly which ones I'd use if I was starting over tomorrow. So let's get into it. In this example, I'm going to be going through protein oatmeal, just a random product that I searched through. So let's jump in with tool number 1. Starting with number 1, Helium 10 multi-keyword. This is Cerebro, and when you go in here, what's great with this is it's going to give you a solid amount of data, tons of filters. You're going to be able to go through and choose your search volume here, your position rank, your number of keyword sales that you want to have it. You can analyze all this data and apply the filters. So most people default to this because this is the most common in the space. But here's why I gave it a C for me. It gives you just a few generic things that you can look as an overview of the top products. It's hard to isolate one specific competitor. It doesn't show you the relevance for each keyword, for each product, the way that you actually would like to do it. So you're going to get a lot of data, but there's not a lot of signal here. You're not going to know exactly what you're going to need to do with this tool. Now, this is the second one, Helium 10. However, do this with a single product, Cerebro. So what you're going to do here, pull in one product. We pulled in this Kodiak Instant Oatmeal Packets, and we're just going to look at this one specifically. We're going to choose the minimum search volume, the keywords, the organic rank, and all that stuff. Now we're going to get all of the data that we get, okay? This one here I have ranked A, and there is multiple reasons why. You can go through and you can see all of the competitors' products organically ranked along with their sponsor rank. You can see what their cost per click is, but it still is very difficult to read and hard to know which ones do you actually go after. This one is going to bring me into tool number 3. I created a tool for my team and others, and it is the Helium 10 Organic Gaps. So this goes through and it figures out all of what your competition is doing. It'll figure out your branded keywords versus competitor keywords, and it will share with you all this different type of information. The Organic Gaps feature inside of this is going to specifically tell you which keywords you may be missing on your competitors, whichever keyword and product that you put specifically within this. So when you hit this Organic Gaps filter, it immediately surfaces every keyword that your competitor or whoever you have on this is ranking for that you're not going after from a PPC side. It's going to show you your search volume, it's going to show you your keyword sales, it's going to show you the suggested bid, and it's going to show you all of these things. No noise. Just the opportunities on this one. This one is one of the first ones that I'll pull up when I'm doing a full keyword audit for a client. Number 4, Data Dive. If you haven't heard of this one is genuinely one of the greatest tools that I've seen out there. This takes Jungle Scout, Helium 10, all the data plus or minus the same, and it goes and makes it as good as it gets. So you're going to go in onto Amazon and you're going to pick some of your top 10, 15, 20 different products that you're going to go after. You're going to put them all in a little basket. It's going to allow you to view each and every one of these. But what is cool about this is it shows you exactly what the keyword rank is by product. So you can see with this Quaker product here, they're ranking really, really high on a number of these keywords organically. And then you can look through all these and then you can start to see which ones are not ranking. And then you get to start to see why the reason is. What is their sales? What's their rating and review count? What is their price point? How many reviews do they have? Where are they selling? Are they selling FBA, FBM through Amazon? And the coolest thing to me is you get to then go through and see what the suggested bid is for each one of these. This is an A because it will give you real competitive picture really quickly. The only reason I would not put this on S tier is that there are a couple of things that Revive's internal tools do better, which I'll get to in a second. Number 5, another Revive tool that we have here, the Keyword Harvester. This one is ranking S. And the reason why is it is different than everything else on the list. And that is the whole point. Our Keyword Harvester tool is built on Amazon's bulk file data. So it is your internal first-party data. That means you're not looking at estimates. You're not looking at any other information. You're looking at what Amazon is actually telling you, what you've actually spent on Amazon. This isn't even Amazon suggested bids. This is taking your bulk file, the data that you've already used, and it's immediately showing you every keyword that you can see here, the number of orders that you have, the ACoS that you have with it, the number of the spend and sales that you have with it, and it immediately tells you the bid that you have, and you can change the bid very, very quickly and create a completely new thing. This is an S tier because not only does it give you the data, but it will allow you to win on Amazon right away by launching these as new campaigns right on your Amazon seller account. Number 6, I love going through this one. It is the Amazon Brand Analytics Search Query Performance. You can choose here by your brand view, your ASIN view, your ASIN or product, your monthly, weekly, whatever you want, and you can view this. Now, what's great with this is it's going to give you a bunch of information. It's going to show where your search query score is. The lower the number, the better. And then it's going to show you the search query volume based on that period of time. And then it goes through a number of other things from the ASINs to the total count to the click share, all of these different data points. The insights are very real here. The problem that I found with this is the UI. It's genuinely painful to read. It is hard to work at scale. You have to know what you're looking at. You've got to do calculations in your head. It becomes very, very confusing very quickly. It has a lot of potential. You've just got to bring this into a new tool to make this even better. All right, here is tool number 7. We are looking through Amazon Seller Central top search terms. You can look at this on a monthly basis, weekly basis. Understand the more data you give, a quarter, a year is going to give you more data than a weekly basis, and it's less emotional, right? Trends come and go, other things stay. We want to keep with what stays. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here and you're going to search protein oatmeal, and we're going to go through and we're going to see all of the different keywords that are associated with this. This is the search term. The search frequency, the lower the number, the better. Once again, this is not search volume, search frequency rank. And so number 1 would be the highest search volume thing, whether that's an Apple iPhone or Dell computer or whatever it may be. Right here, you're going to see this drops very quickly. This obviously has a lot less power than this one up here. So what you do is you look through and you see who is actually winning on this. There's Quaker, there's Kodiak Cakes, there's Bob's Red Mill. On this one, on this one, on this one, on this one. You start to see the same ones over and over again. On this one right here, Protein Oatmeal Cups, that's probably because Quaker has not pulled out with that. Now, if Quaker pulls up with one, they're likely going to start winning because they've got scale, they've got the ability to do this much cheaper, and it's the generic product that everyone knows. What you're able to see through here is your click share and your conversion share. If your conversion share is above your click share, that means you are doing better than the market typically. If your conversion share is less than your click share, you are likely doing less than the market of where it should be. Every keyword of this is going to adjust, so you've got to be careful on how you look at this information. But you go deeper and deeper, and you're going to find really, really good information through this. Let's wrap it up here. S tier, we have 2 different products. We've got the Keyword Harvester, and we've got the Helium 10 Organic Gaps Deep Dive. From an A tier, we've got the Helium 10 Single Product Cerebro, we got Data Dive, and we've got Revive's Keyword Audit Explorer. B tier, Amazon Search Query Performance, and Amazon Search Query Performance for the top search terms. And C tier here, we've got Helium 10's Multi-Product Cerebro. If you're looking to get more out of your keyword research, start with the S tier tools. I'm giving you all these tools 100% for free in the description below. If this is helpful, drop a comment which tool you're currently using and what you would rate it. I want to know if there's tools that I missed that you still have.